This is a Google search result scraper. Say you want to search Google writing UK stock market and you want to get first 100 results and its title and link and want to save in a CSV file. This bot can do this for you automatically just by one click. Say let's write the keyword stockmarket UK. Note that when you write, this field automatically changes. This is the name of the output file. You also can change the name here. Okay. And you can set the number of results. You can also set 200 results. For demonstration, I set here 20 results. Okay. Save path. You can change the save path. Where do you want to save? Say I set the location. Okay. Now scrap results. So the bot started. I mistakenly clicked twice, so it's working twice. Okay. The result is saved. Now open output folder. Here is my search result. Google search result stock market UK CSV. Okay, open it and see the result. This is the first 20 results appeared in Google search. It has saved the title and the corresponding URL you see here. Thank you for watching.